Hello everyone, welcome to EduTales English Learning Tutorials. Today we are going to learn about tense, which is most important to know for making sentences and to communicate your thoughts in English effectively. Tense comes from the Latin tempus, that is time. So we can say tenses tell the action related to a time. Time can be present, past or future. As for example, yesterday I studied my notes. Today I study my notes from the textbook. Tomorrow I will study my notes from the textbook. So past, present and future are the three main verb tenses in English. The tense of a word shows the time of an action or state of an event based on the time frame, that is, when the action is taking place. Each of these principal tenses, that is, present, past and future, is again subdivided into four forms: indefinite, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Let's understand carefully all these forms through a table, which is just a glimpse to understand with the formula. Write it in your notebook along with explanation for revising and practice for improving your English skills on a day-to-day basis. So, in total, there are 12 tenses which we are going to cover in our videos with proper rules. Detailed explanation of each will be there in our upcoming series. Let's begin and start your learning with tenses. To note this in your notebook and pause the video for better understanding. Tip of the day is, for shortcut, remember this point. In simple present tense with I, we, you, they or plural, V1 or verb's first form will be used, and with he, she, it or singular, s or es will be added along with V1. Same with present perfect tense. Have is used with I, we, you, they or plural, and has is used with he, she, it or singular. We will discuss it in detail in our upcoming separate videos on each tense. Until then, learn the chart. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe our videos. Suggestions and comments are always welcome.